Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the holiday mode in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. Then scroll down and look for the holiday mode button and click on that. And within this you will find this hide my items section, and in order to enable it, just click on the black circle next to it, and once it turns blue, this function is enabled. And this function, by the way, is to hide your items while you're on holiday, because of course when you're away you're not able to post or like send the products that are sold. So if you turn this on, then your products are currently not purchased, cannot be purchased. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.